is to gain a foundation through to intermediate level of practical understanding of effectively using ChatGPT with Excel at an introductory level. And our webinars differ in that they are not just a show and tell slideshow. To provide the best learning and knowledge retention experience for attendees, all my webinars aim to replicate the in-person classroom experience and include the step-by-step learning guide, demonstrations, practical exercises, student files referenced from the learner guide, and tips and shortcuts. So this webinar will go for 90 minutes. It's crammed, jam-packed full of information. In a classroom environment, probably would take me about 3 hours to get through this material with a group of people. However, in a webinar scenario where I walk you through and demonstrate, we can cover it in about 90 minutes. You can also purchase the recording for this webinar if you want to go through it in your own time, and you can also just go through the learning guide step by step as well. So it's your choice. Either way, very good investment. So if you go to a lecture or to a show and tell slideshow on a webinar, your retention rate's probably going to be about 5 to 10% the next day. If you practice by doing, as we do in my webinars, and even share your knowledge with others, your retention rate will jump to about 90%. So that's the difference. But if you just want to watch and listen today, not a problem. As I say, as long as you go through the learning guide in the next day or two, step by step, which is very easy to follow, or as I say, purchase the recording and go through it in your own time, you can boost your retention rate considerably. So as I said, there's over 90 minutes of material. Write down any ideas as soon as they come to you during the webinar and lock in some practice time very soon. So I'll keep an eye on my chat window here. I've got 2 monitors here, so I'll see if I can make one eyeball look at this main screen and the other one watching to see if there are any chat messages, but I'm only joking. Anyway, let's have a look here. The benefits of attending my webinars. I believe my webinars pay for themselves very quickly. In the next week or two, if you work out your hourly cost to your organization, you'll find that the payback is very quick. You'll work smarter and faster, boost your profit and efficiency, strengthen your resume, achieve a lot more in a lot less time with better results, improve your job satisfaction, and gain a strong competitive advantage. And look, you don't know what you don't know. So with my webinars, you know what you know what ChatGPT and Excel can do without guessing, and we save you a lot of time. You will not need to Google as much or ask your friends how to do things. You'll know how to do it. So you'll just be a lot more efficient, and as I say, the payback is very quick. So let's get started.